Hi, my name is Trinidad Linares. I'm the Library Associate for the Music Library and Bill Shirk Sound Archives. We're on the 3rd floor of the Jerome Library and we are open. So I'm going to be talking about how race and culture intersect with music through films that we have in our collection. We don't have a giant collection at the Music Library, but it is varied, and so I wanted to point out some fun gems we have. And our material runs from concert to dramas to operas to theater production to documentaries to even comedy shows. We have both American and international works, and some that are actually transcontinental. So I'm a big fan of understanding race and culture through film. For instance, in our collection we have Ray, which is a biographical film about the life of Ray Charles, who was a blind singer whose talent would change rhythm and blues. And he was also a major supporter of Dr. King and the Civil Rights Movement. If you want something about a musical artist, but slightly different, we also have Why Do Fools Fall in Love, which is a romantic drama about Frankie Lyman, and it stars Vivica A. Fox and Halle Berry. And if you watch both these films, Ray and Why Do Fools Fall in Love, you end up with a Lorenz Tate Mini Film Festival. So one transcontinental film I'd like to mention is Bela Fleck, Throw Down Your Heart. Bela Fleck actually looks at the African roots of the banjo, which is important to bluegrass music in America. Bela Fleck does this by visiting Uganda, Tanzania, Gambia, and Mali, and playing with the artists there. If you watch the film Amandla, A Revolution in 4-Part Harmony, you'll realize the importance about the role in the music of Black South Africans in the overthrow of apartheid. One of the featured artists is Miriam Makeba. She's also known as Mama Africa. On the other side of the coin of apartheid, you also against apartheid are white South Africans who made the music of Detroit artist Rodriguez, their anthem of their rebellion in the film Searching for Sugarman. For this film, I would suggest that you do not watch the trailer because there's a mystery that the film resolves and the trailer gives it away. So I would just suggest watching the film. Other films to check out are Broadway musicals, A Jewish Legacy. If you're a fan of Barbra Streisand, Leonard Bernstein, or Stephen Sondheim, this would be something you should check out. Plus, we have quite a few of live recordings and adaptations of Sondheim musicals. Latin Music USA is a film that shows viewers how Latin American music is part of the landscape of American music, from 1960s Latin jazz to current artists like Shakira and Pitbull. And if you want to go further in Latino music or Latinx music, Rebel Music Americas covers not only North America, but all Americas in how music connects to social movements. In the documentary Wild Women Don't Have the Blues, you can see the talent of Bessie Smith, Ma Rainey, Ethel Waters, and other pioneering blues women. If you want stand-up comedy, we've got Def Comedy Jam. If you're looking for the American influence in Asia, there's Finding Carlton, which discusses the American jazz influence in India. At this point, my best recommendation for Asian American representation in film is Vanessa Hudgens in High School the Musical, where admittedly she played a Latina, but we have films 1, 2, and 3, so. Our collection isn't vast in terms of film, but we do have delights like Wim Wenders' Buena Vista Social Club and Spike Lee's recording of the Broadway musical Passing Strange. Come visit us and come enjoy our films.